Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to buy gift card on Tremendous. So here's a simple workaround and step-by-step guide on how to buy gift card on Tremendous. So for you to be able to buy gift card, go to the Tremendous website and log into your account. Then find the dashboard, click on the reward or click on send a reward or nice order. Then choose gift card as your reward option. So browse through the available gift card brand or use the search bar to find the one you want. Then select the gift card brand and enter how much you want to purchase. So add the recipient details, which is email or phone number if you are sending it to someone. So make sure you add the email or phone number just if you are sending it to someone. Then the reward, then review your selection and click to order. So proceed to checkout page, then select the payment method and complete the payment. So once confirmed, the gift card code will be delivered to you or directly to your recipient's email, and that's how you can successfully purchase a gift card on Tremendous. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.